Hey puddings! Finally at the video I'm gonna be doing the makeup tutorial, the do it yourself, and how to make the hairstyle and all for the most famous Harley Quinn outfit, the version of Suicide Squad movie. Do you want to get ready with me? So come on board to play with me, squad! First of all, I'm just drawing the tattoos with a black artistic makeup and the blue and red one. Now to finish this out with a talc or a powder. After that, I put on a colored nail polish to fix it. Let's start with the moisturizing for a perfect fuller skin. After that, the primer to blur the imperfections. My puddins squad already know, but for my Harley Quinn cosplay, I always mixed the white artistic makeup with the foundation for her flawless pale skin. Now apply the powder to set the makeup. Next step, the eyebrows as usual. By the side where my hair is pink, let's apply the pink eyeshadow. And the other side where my hair is blue, the blue one. It's very important not doing the zigzag. Just press the eyeshadow at the highlight. Now the black eyeshadow just at the final corner and closing to the bottom lashes. Lashes time! The red lipstick, of course, guys! Now the black liquid eyeliner to draw the tattoos. Another cosplay that you are really sad cause I need to try it here at the channel? Tell me here below at the comments, okay guys? And don't forget to subscribe here at the channel and like the videos to be part of my Puddins squad. Kiss ya, Puddins!